Oh, is this live? It's hot? Exactly what I needed, and she has just brought the best group of people together. I'm going to be back over and over and over and over again. What made you decide to just go for it and dive in?
I'm in a room with some of the nation's top performers. If they're into it, I should probably be paying attention.
So it's good peer pressure.
Right, it's great peer pressure.
Yeah, so the Slay with Shay event has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been so wonderful to really just, find that passion, that rejuvenation for the business, like really why we do what we do, and just connecting with our inner selves and just realizing what drives us to make sure that we can carry that through for the rest of the year.
What really stands out about it is it's not just about creating an amazing, awesome business, but creating an amazing and awesome life from all aspects and not being one-dimensional.
One of the big takeaways was be vulnerable, kind of dig in, utilize those things from your past, things that made you to actually push you to that next level. I cannot wait to dig in more tomorrow, and if you haven't made it here, keep an eye out and sign up.
What I'm feeling is I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling super vulnerable after today, and I appreciate Shayla so much for taking a lot of time this morning with me and just helping me with tactics and team and pouring into us, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. It's really magic, and there's not enough magic in the world. In fact, there's a lot of magic, and we just need to find it. This is where you find it. Come see this event next time you get a chance.
This is my first experience in the retreat. I'm a very new loan officer. This retreat was very awesome. It made you look at yourself, made you analyze and see where you can grow and stop playing things into your head. So this experience has been awesome so far, and I'm ready for tomorrow. Thank you.
It's been an incredible event, super excited, fired up, not only to take this stuff home to some of my LOs, but also take it to my agents, jump onto the training with Shayla, and just really continue to grow. But I would recommend, if you're a loan officer, if you're in real estate, like, this is the place you want to be, and these are the people you really want to be around.